Is it a bit cheeky giving a computer building pro tip when the first computer I properly built was yesterday? Yes, but I think it's a really good tip. If you find yourself in the same boat I was in, which is where I had everything, all my parts except my GPU with my graphics card, check and see if your CPU has a graphics chip built in. So I'm using an AMD Ryzen 7 700X, which does have integrated graphics. Not all do, but this one does. That means I can plug directly into the HDMI on the motherboard and actually use the computer. The computer runs perfectly fine if I'm not trying to use like YouTube on a big screen or anything like that. But I can get my drivers installed, post and BIOS. I can download Windows, get all that up and running, download Steam, Xbox Game Pass, install these big massive 20GB games on my SSD, have them ready to go. So when the my GPU does land, it's pretty much plug and play, I'm hoping. So that's my pro tip. Get ahead of it. If you're still waiting on your GPU that has a really long lead time, get everything else ready, get it built, get your cable maintenance done.